So today we're changing out some rear hatch lifts on a 2016 Kia Rio. So all of a sudden the other day, the hatch lifts went out on her vehicle and there was really no warning, was there? It was just like, bam, all of a sudden.
The next day weren't.
Right, they were. So we have this scotched up. We're gonna exchange these. Now, cool thing is, checked at our local Advance and auto parts stores, and they were gonna be like $35 a piece. We actually were able to get a set of them, which we need, for $20 on Amazon. I'll put that link in the comments below. So we're not affiliated with it, but hey, it's worth a shot, right? 20 bucks. So let's change these out. So let me show you real quick. We took the scotch out, show you how heavy this door can be whenever these arms go out. I can't let this go with everything in me, but you can see that they're not working at all. So just in case you have that issue going on, I'm using everything I've got to open this thing. It's just a little car, but the door's so heavy. Why you gotta be so heavy? So let's put that back in, show you how these work. You just pop them right off and pop the other ones on. Now Emery has never done this before. Matter of fact, I haven't either. So this should show how easy this can be. But now make sure you've got something to prop this door up because we're using a treated one before because that's what we've got. But it's like a stick of gold. So you may choose to do something else, but make sure you've got it. And this has got a good place to scotch that up there. But I'm gonna make sure just in case, and Emery's gonna show us how to pop this off so that show you how easy it is to replace. And just pick you a tool and get you some leverage and boom, popped it right off. And now as far as the top is concerned, you just do the same thing, keep working it forward and it will come right off of there. And she's getting there. There you go. Boom. And surgery is complete.
Yeah.
That's removed. Now we're going to put in our new ones. And once again, we'll put the link in the comments. Made in China. But here's the part number. And it is a premium rear hatch lift. I think it's kind of universal to several vehicles, but this is for Kia Rio 2016. But they have other ones, and here's how it comes packaged, and it was like $20, give or take a little bit,
For both of them.
For both of them. So that's a good deal, and they arrived really quick. So Emery's gonna show us how to attach this. So one, just like that, clipped in, and I think you have to raise the door up just a little bit to make this one go. Just twist it a little bit.
There we go.
There we go. And
There
popped
we go.
it in. All right, now the true test here. No editing, no effects. Let's see what happens.
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. So let's see why it's doing that.
Hard to get down.
So we figured out the problem.
There.
It's not really an arm problem, it's a user issue. Okay, so here we go. And Emery's gonna show you now that it's just a matter of actually pushing down on it. So voila. Now let's open it because we haven't done this yet. And let's make sure. Oh, yay! And that works great. Now close it one more time. There you go. Two arms for $20 straight from China. Saves you quite a bit of money.
Yeah.
And now Emery knows how to repair one of those, and so do I. Thanks for teaching us, Emery.
Hopefully I won't have to though.
Right.